magandang gabi Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Andito na naman po ang kapatiran para sa bayan. Tayo po ay mapapanood at mapapakinggan via website www.dwic882am.com at i-download ang DWIC application DWIC 882 sa iOS at Android phone. Live rin po via DWIC 882 Facebook page. Our hotline numbers are 8470-1750-54, text line 0999-376-6768. Tayo din po ay napapanood sa digital feed TV Aliw 23, sa Sky Cable Channel 72, Signal Channel 24, TV Plus Channel 27, at GMA For the Box Channel 25. Available rin po kami sa digital TV devices, TV receivers. Mangyari po, scan lamang po ang inyong digital TV receivers at digital boxes upang mapanood ang Aliw 23. Ilang days na lang po, Kuya Teddy?
Oo nga eh. 14 days na lang.
Yes, 14 days.
Magandang gabi po, mga kapatid, mga kuyang, mga ating. Ito na naman kami for the next hour.
Yes.
And on that note, Kuya Jerry,
kakaiba,
ano yan? Bakit unang, anong kasing hat yan?
Kasi ano natin eh, ito yung tawag na PES. Hat ng Shriner.
Ang Shriner. So nga, yung pala yung topic natin ngayon.
Topic natin, oo.
Magka-club nga tayo, no?
Metro
ulit
Manila.
club natin?
Metro Manila
Shrine Club. Okay.
Pero yung Metro Manila is just a club.
It is just a club.
Ng Mabuhay Shrine Center.
Ano ba ang Mabuhay Shriners, Kuya Jerry?
Lako, parang ako yung dito.
Ang buti naman ngayon kasi ni-interview mo ako palagi.
Yes. Ang Mabuhay Shrine Center ay tinatagpo yan nung July 7 yata, 2010. Tayo po ay affiliate ng Shriner International. Which is spread over Canada, US.
Anong ginagawa ng Shriners International?
It's a philanthropic organization.
Na bumubuo. Sino bumubuo nito?
Mga mason din po ito.
Okay.
Freemasons.
The craft. Okay.
The craft. Oo. And they're responsible for catering the burned and crippled children.
Okay. So, I guess, baka I have to explain here bakit may isa na naman organization, di ba?
Yes.
Compared to, the craft. Alam mo naman, mga kapatid, as you know, sa mga lawyer natin, our primary purpose is to mentor each other.
Yes po.
But we also have to be oriented towards others. So, yung Shriners is one way where we can not just mentor ourselves but also provide for the needs and the interests of those in our greater community. And the Shriners here have a very focused charity. Ano yung charity again?
Yung sa burned and
crippled children. Alam mo sa US, alam ko mga 22 or 24 na ang hospital na wala kang babayarin, di ba?
Correct.
If you are within the subject, constituency na ikaw ay may cleft lip, for example.
Yes.
Pwede ka magpa-operation, di ba? Walang bayad yun.
Correct.
It is all sponsored by the Shriners. And we also have here facilities to do that, di ba?
Yes. And if it not possible to, lalo na yung nakuha mo yung Kuya Teddy, yung naupuan yung parang mainit.
Oo.
Nagsara yung kwitan. So, kailangan ipadala yon sa
abroad, burns.
Hospital,
a burn center.
Yes.
We sponsor that.
And we sponsor that. Free, libre. Walang pati yung ticket, yung accommodation.
Okay, so in a way, it's another organization to help us be focused on charity.
That's correct.
Pero Kuya Jerry, kung charitable ang primary rason ng itong social club na to, bakit kami hat? Tawag natin PES dyan, di ba? Bakit kami?
This will distinguish you sa ibang mga affiliation kasi ang masonry, ang craft, marami ring affiliation eh. And this is one, I believe, yung PES. Although hindi ko memorize yung meaning at symbolization.
Hindi ba rin dahil also, Kuya Jerry, it's also the Shriners are not just there to provide the charity, although that's main goal. It's also, being a social club,
Yes.
it's also to have fun, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Clean fun, di ba?
Oo, it's always, and we always
Anong klaseng mga fun na ibig sabihin na by
may
that?
mga fellowship, mga ganyan.
May naririnig ko, may clown unit
may
tayo.
clown
Ano yun?
tao, yung
Hindi,
payaso.
alangan naman tayong dalawa yun. Diba? Anong klaseng, anong clown unit yan?
They are for the purpose of making fun for the children, yung nagbibigay ng kasayahan sa mga bata. Kasi
Actually, may brad dyan na alam ko kasama sa clown unit. Sinasabi mo, they're supposed to entertain the children. Pero nung dinala ko, inimbita ko sa party, parang natakot yung mga children eh.
Ay, ganun ba?
Alam ko dapat fun, di ba?
Yes, yes.
So dapat yung clown suit mo, dapat hindi nakakatakot.
Yes,
Diba?
yes, yes.
So but that's one of the many ways we try to, have a lighter side. Kaya may fest nga ho tayo.
That's correct.
To symbolize na hindi puro seryoso tayo.
Yes.
Diba? Pag nagle-lecture ako, nga naman, puro lecture na naman tayo, diba? So, the Shriners allow us to, have that festive side and do it in a way that helps others also.
That's correct. And we will be known by this uniforms.
Kuya Jerry, nakikita ko, nag-president ka na dyan.
President, yes, yes.
Shrine Club natin, di ba? How was it? How was the experience?
Well,
Iba, di ba? From being in
iba
the lodge.
talaga. Kasi sa lodge, you cater the brethren. Dito, you cater the general public, especially the burn and crippled children. We provide wheelchairs. Kasi isa yan sa trust ng Shriner na every club meron kang at least mga 10 wheelchairs a month.
Action, binibigay hindi for rent
sa
yun.
mga bata po yun. Hindi sa mga
Hindi for
bata.
rent yun,
Yes, hindi for rent. Bibigay talaga. You cannot establish a club if you cannot provide at least mga 10 wheelchairs.
Gano'ng karaming mga club to? Dito sa
More or less mga nasa 20s na eh. 20,
Okay.
Hindi ko lang
Paano na-start ang Shriners dito sa Pilipinas, Kuya Jerry?
Na-start siya kasi yung mga nakukonfirm yata dati, wala pa ako noon. Hindi pa ako masunod. Bata pa tayo noon. Pupunta pa sa States para i-confer. So,
alam ko, yung Shrine Center noon, pupunta sila para maging shrine, pupunta pa sila ng Hawaii.
Punta ng
Diba,
Hawaii.
yung sa Aloha Shriners.
Yes.
Kasi
Just
tayo,
to be conferred.
but now that we've established the Shrine Center here, actually hindi lang isa, di ba? Dalawa yan sa Pilipinas. Ano ba itong dalawang Shrine Center na to?
Aguila Center.
At saka Mabuhay.
Yes.
So tayo, mabuhay Shriners. Kasi anong jurisdiction
Ang
natin?
jurisdiction natin is mostly Luzon at saka Visayas.
So lahat ng club sa Luzon at Visayas, mabuhay Shriners. Pero meron pa isa.
Sa Aguila naman,
Aguila. Mindanao and Greater Asia.
Greater Asia.
Diba?
That's
Like
correct.
Taiwan. Kasi mas international ang gusto nila, diba?
That's correct.
So, like I said, it's to socialize, have fun, create charity. And over the years, alam mo, matagal to eh. It was a long process before they finally got organized. I'm happy na ngayon, very vibrant tayo. In Shriners International, we in the Philippines have one of the largest memberships outside the United States.
That's correct. And we even try to participate in the electoral process sa Shrine International to become an
Annual,
imperial potentate.
Ano
Yun, parang ganun.
Ano ang imperial potentate?
Yun na yung anong tawag ito? Leadership ng international.
Sa mga nakikinig diyan na hindi nakamiyembro namin yung mga imperial potentate na yan. Remember, this is a social club.
Yes.
It is only to exaggerate. It is there to to exaggerate, and really the focus is having fun, di ba?
Having fun.
So, unlike the regular lodges, for those of you who mga kapatid na hindi pa nagjo-join, this is really there to lighten us up.
Yes.
Lighten us up. And of course, yung first thing that they would ask kung tayo, now that we're getting to know Shriners is, saan sila makaka-join kung ano?
Ay, kailangan kasi.
Ano ba yung process?
Maging mason ka muna in good God standing. That's one. Oo.
Aside from that.
Oo, and then you will be
At
endorsed.
importante yun, di ba?
Yes,
Dapat seryoso
importante.
muna.
That's
di ba? You have to, the Shriners have, lumabas yan dahil napakaseryoso natin sa lunch. May lunch lecture tayo and everything. But at the end of the day, we also have to have that other side where we have to be lighter.
Yeah.
And this is an outlet for that.
That's correct.
Diba?
That's correct.
So, okay. So, kung mason ka, paano ka makakasali dito?
You must also be in good standing. That's one. And then you must be endorsed by a Shriner.
Pero
member.
Shriner, pwede ka, as a Shriner, pwede ka mag-recruit, di ba?
Yes.
Oh.
Unlike
in the craft where you have to go, you have to be on your, sarili mo. Pumunta, mag-volunteer ito.
Yes.
Pwede ka hatakin, di ba?
Siguro. So,
Para makakuha ng donation para sa next wheelchair. Hindi, good joke lang kami. Para lang to have fun and fellowship.
That's
Right?
correct.
So
That's
pwede kang hanakin, magtanong-tanong ka lang sa, mga Shriner dyan.
That's correct.
In any lodge, hatakin ka sa club mo, di ba?
That's
Oh.
correct. In fact, kahit sa election, unlike doon sa crop, siguro, Kuya Teddy, alam mo yun po yan. But in...
Sorry, hindi ako masyadong active. Pero, okay.
sa shrine...
Sa Shriner,
yes, pwede kang mag-encourage. Pwede kang
ayun.
mag-campaign.
Ibang ano nila.
Kasi fun nga po.
But let's go back. So,
Opo.
yun. So, hinatak ka. Hinatak ka ngayon para mag-join dito, para fun.
Yeah.
Paano ka... What can we talk about the mysterious,
meron tayong common denominator, which is we sing yung blowing bubbles. Which is,
ano yung blowing bubble?
Oo nga eh. Actually,
Ako, alam mo, while I am a Shriner, di ba? What does the song symbolize? Matagal ko nang hindi
Ako rin din.
alam mo, di ba?
alam ko pero hindi ko...
Can you sing a few bars? Para for a Christmas song for ngayon.
I'm forever blowing bubbles.
Nauto ko nga.
Parang ganun yun eh.
Okay, so yung blowing bubbles na yan is supposed to symbolize.
Actually, you are required to sing it even 1,000 times during your...
But this is all in good fun. Kasi social nga.
Yes.
And it helps bring brethren together.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Alam nga naman, we'll expect them to sing the GLP hymn, diba? Every time. Dapat, so... And then here in the Philippines, ay alam ko they have to go through a long and hot suns, di ba? Ano yung madi-discuss natin? Ano yung madi-discuss natin sa hot
yes,
suns?
actually sa hot suns, pag sinabi mong hot suns, you have to go with the regular process.
Okay. So may induction,
Yes, may induction.
which will not in any way violate any law or regulation.
Even the anti-hazing, wala po
Wala.
yun.
Ay, ikaw nagsabi nun, hindi ako.
Wala po yun.
Wala yun. Okay.
Not by-
But may hot sun. So yung hot na lang doon. Tingnan na lang kung ano yung hot doon. Kasi alam ko sa Taipei, hindi hot suns eh. Hindi hot suns yung Taipei doon. Yung sila gusto nila cold suns.
Cold suns. Correct.
Tingnan nyo na lang kung ano yung cold na lang pag sumali kayo, di ba?
Ang difference niyan sa
Wag na nating ano yun.
Wag na.
Diba?
Bagay.
Sorpresa. For mga kapatid at mga kuya na gusto sumali, kayo na magano kung ano yung difference ng hot at saka cold.
Discover it to yourself.
Diba?
Tama.
May ano ba tayo dyan? May question ba tayo? Or,
may mga tanong. Yung mga,
may mga tanong. Sige, from our ano.
Sabi, ano ba yung kaibahan ng masonerya sa dito? Total, yung craft naman, yung masonerya na tinatawag, may mason na eh.
Okay.
Tapos bakit kailangan pang mag-shrine?
Seryoso tayo muna.
Yes.
Okay. Seriously, alam mo, good question yan, no?
Opo.
Kasi baka magtaka yung mga hindi namang kamiyembro natin, bakit ang dami nating organization?
Yes.
Because as you know, the craft is one gigantic family. Okay, so you have the basic lodges, where the real purpose is that we mentor each other to make good men better.
Yes.
Okay? Very important yun. Good men better.
Opo.
We cannot change the nature of men who are inherently mercenary. That's why may process kami to make sure na yung pumapasok, dapat good men.
Good.
Many times, because we're a human institution, we fail, nagkakamali tayo, na-expel naman.
Yes.
Diba? So matter of fact, this term parang ang dami-dami ang na-expel. But, we make good men better. We have to differentiate that from the other organizations na meron tayo. May 4 na organizations yan.
That's correct.
In addition to the regular lodges, we have what we call appendant bodies. Ano po ang appendant bodies? If you want to focus or specialize in the teachings of the craft, pupunta ka dyan. The biggest ones are the Scottish Rite, which is prescriptive. May mga teachings yan primarily na you try to inculcate moral values. Tapos meron York Rite, which is primarily descriptive. You try to focus on applying symbols in life, in how use the imagery of symbols to make your life more meaningful, diba? So yun yung appendant bodies.
Opo.
Yung appendant bodies na yan, mga kapatid natin, they have distinct rituals or ceremonies that teach these teachings.
Yes.
And they are subordinate or they must follow the Grand Lodge. So yun yung unang grupo.
Correct.
Diba? Pero rin naman tayo na organizations na required, mga kapatid, pero wala sila yung ritual nila, does not focus on yung seryosong teachings.
Unlike sa craft.
Kung may ritual sila, it's either for fun or to provide for appropriate ceremonies to invest new officers. Pero wala yung mabigat na teachings kagaya sa York and Scottish.
Yes.
But they still have to follow the Grand Lodge. So yun yung diferensya. Yung second class of organizations na yan ay tawag fraternal associations and social clubs. Okay? So anong klase? May dalawa yan eh. Either it's a special group, di ba? Like lahat ng mga kapatid natin sa Bureau of Internal Revenue, may sariling sila, Bureau of Internal Revenue Travelers Haven, di ba?
Yung birth.
Yung mga police,
meron din
sila. At saka yung mga mga sundalo rin. O yung mga lawyers meron rin eh.
Yes.
Di ba? Yung mga lawyers for those who do not
tawag yata si Right Worshipful, Right Worshipful, sir.
Yung mga
opo.
Ito po yung guest natin ngayon.
Ang guest natin andito po kausap ko po ngayon si Right Worshipful.
Papunta man ba?
Papunta na po kayo, right? Okay po. Siguro pagka natin yung break natin, right? Opo. Sige po.
Okay, going back.
Opo, salamat po.
Like I was saying, yung mga special interest, may profession ka, naggugrupo kayo. Mga lawyers katulad natin, meron tayong sarili, di ba?
Correct.
Like ang tawag sa grupo natin, Harmonious and Exemplary Lawyers League.
Diba? Meron din.
So kung nasa BIR ka at saka abogado ka, 'di ba? From birth to hell. 'Di ba? Hindi, nakakatakot yata 'yun But really, wag naman. But nagjo-joke lang ako. But seriously, 'yun. So they're primarily there to be fraternal associations and social clubs. Isa sa social as a matter of fact, the biggest social club here among all in our philosophical fraternity is the Shriners.
Correct.
So the Shriners are the largest Masonic philanthropy.
Correct.
Imagine sa US may 24 hospitals sila. Tapos tayo rin may tayo. May
even in Middle East, Kuya Teddy.
Even in the Middle East, meron talaga. So yun, that's the second group. Pero may third group pa yan. Diba? Yung third group na yan is the Greater Masonic Family. For those of you who don't know, you can also, if you are the daughter ng isang kapatid, di ba? Or your uncle.
My Job's daughter.
Oo. You can join either the Job's daughter or the Rainbow. So they're there also to provide the same, to promote the same value system.
Yeah.
Di ba? Sa mga lalaki na lang, we have a separate, distinct fraternity for them.
Yes.
It's called the Order of Demolay.
Yes.
Right? And the Order of Demolay, that is a fraternity run by another fraternity. Kasi yung organization nila, they have a Supreme Council na puro mga kapatid,
Opo.
which runs the fraternity na puro mga all boys below 18.
Oh.
Diba? If I'm
12
not
to 21.
up to 21,
To
to mga senior demolays.
Senior Demolay.
So if you join the demolays, you are supervised. You are always
By a mason.
supervised by isa sa ating mga kapatid, tawag ng ating mga executive officers.
Yes,
Di ba?
yes.
That's why yung mga hindi kasama natin sa craft, baka nagtataka kayo, if you know many of us, may darating na hindi naman anak namin sasabihin, Dad. That's because for Job's daughters, Rainbow Order of Girls, and Demolays,
Yes.
part of our learning to mentor is to mentor and be good models for them.
Yes.
Tapos, ang dami niyan. Meron pang mga
sa
families.
wife. Sa wife.
Kung yung boss, di
Ang
ba?
boss
Siyempre,
pala.
yung mga boss natin,
May Amarant din.
di ba, may Order of the Amaranth, meron rin Order of the Eastern Star,
Star, yes.
like my own. My family, we started the Order of Eastern Star, Calao Chapter number 9 sa Capital Masonic Temple. Merry Christmas.
Hello po. Merry Christmas.
So yun. So that just shows that we're not just promoting mentoring among ourselves, but also we try to bring in
Yes.
our fellow family members.
And this will complement the craft.
It complements the craft and it makes us, it better fulfills our mission of making good men better. Di ba? Yun. So, nakita natin, malaki-laki talaga ang Masoneria because, it provides a way of life that wala naman tayong tinatago. It has a set of values that at the end of your life, masasabi mo, fulfilled. Meron akong nag-create value ako sa buhay ko. Diba?
Yes, yes.
Hindi ka magsasabi nun. Yung mga kapatid mo sa loya mo.
That's correct.
Diba?
Siguro, balik tayo, Kuya Teddy, sa Shriner.
Okay.
Ano ba yung mga iba-ibang position? Kasi, syempre, kailangan yung organization may leadership din.
Exactly.
Yes. So
ikaw ang tatanungin ko dun. Kasi ikaw ang nagpresidente.
Anong bumalik sa akin?
Oo.
Oo. Pag sa club kasi, meron tayong tinatawag na second vice president.
Okay.
Which maybe it can be equated to a junior warden sa lodge, sa regular lodge. Then, merong first vice. It can be equated to a senior warden sa regular lodge.
Okay.
And finally, we have the president or the high sheriff.
So, ano?
Oo.
Actually, Kuya Jerry, high sheriff pala
Ito yun.
ang tawag ko sa'yo. Okay.
Yes. Although, binago na
And remember, because social club to,
Opo.
let's not go into much na, potente.
Detail, yes.
Kasi, that's really to make it a social,
Yes,
diba? Oo.
yes. It's just a position, but actually,
And it's to make it fun. Make it
Yes,
more
make
fun.
it more
Make it
fun.
more alluring. Okay.
Yes.
So, itong officers, because they have their own organizational structure, anong ginagawa nyo sa club during, throughout the year? Parang loya ba kayo?
Hindi naman.
Hindi. Okay. So, anong ginagawa niyo?
Ginagawa
Fellowship.
namin, the purpose is, syempre, to confer. To confer a new shrine member. Oo. During conferral, we will join together with the other clubs para i-confer.
Ito ang dinatawag nating the mysterious hot sands.
Hot sand. Or cold
Kung
sand.
ano yung hot sands na yun or conferral, dapat let's leave it up to them. Para lang,
Yes.
alanganin naman natin di ba, mag-spoiler tayo dito, di ba, sa
Correct,
internet. Kung may sine, di ba, corny kung
Maganda.
Titignan mo na yung spoiler para alam mo na yung, bakit ka pa
yes.
nanood ng sine, di ba?
Maganda pa rin yung may
So,
surprise.
dapat may surprise yun, di ba?
Yes. So,
Riki-tiki there, di ba? Oh.
that's one, to invite brethren to become a shrine member.
Okay.
The second one is, yun na yun, yung fun. Which is, hindi lang yan sa fellowship. You can have fun also when you give wheelchair to the crippled children.
That's one way. That's
fun.
one form of charity.
Yes, that's
You can have fun when nag-dress up ka ng clown.
yes.
Tapos tinakot,
Hindi naman.
in-entertain mo.
Entertain mo.
Entertain yung mga clown natin. No?
Baka natakot kasi na-expose na sa sun. Natunaw na yung makeup. Ganun lang. Pero dapat ang ating masayahin.
Okay.
You always smile. You always give charity with a smile. Yun yung shrine. And
you are forever blowing bubbles.
yes.
The bubbles there signify hope and joy.
Yes,
diba?
that's
In
correct.
life.
That's correct.
We should always see life as a blessing, and this is one way of celebrating it.
In fact, hinihintay natin yung tumawag si Kuya Ariel. Siya yung magsasabi. Ano ba yung... Kasi...
Bahala na siya doon.
Bahala siya doon.
Alam mo naman, sa mga nakikinig at nanonood, unfortunately, sometimes yung guest natin, mga guest natin nalilate kasi ang dami rin nilang schedule.
Yes.
But our guest will be properly introduced soon when he arrives.
Yes. Medyo malapit-lapit na daw siya eh.
Okay.
So, another thing that we have to consider also, yung bakit may mga positions. Like, yun nga, yung may high sheriff, may ganyan. Because these are the personality who will become or qualified to run naman doon sa Mabuhay Shrine Center.
Okay, so yung may club, tapos may Mabuhay Shriner Center. Diba? Bago ko tanungin ko sa'yo yun,
Opo.
mukhang kailangan natin half-time na.
Half-time na. Yes. Kuya Teddy, time check muna po tayo. 7:29 ng gabi. Magbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan. Okay, nagbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan. Kasama ko pa rin po si Kuya Attorney Teddy Calao. Ito po si Attorney Jerry Sadsad po. Siguro batiin lang po natin yung mga nanalo ng mga eleksyon sa iba't ibang lodges, lalo na sa
dami
lodge ko po. Ang dami congratulations po dun sa Worshipful Master-elect Marius de la Rosa, Senior Warden-elect Jason Santos Celdes, and Junior Warden-elect Kenneth Pacheco. Pati treasurer, nabago na rin po, Kuya
Ganun ba?
Eddie, nabago rin. Treasurer-elect Renato Roque, and Secretary-elect Worshipful Inspector Roderick Cabigting. Ito po sa Pasig City Masonic Lodge 409. Sa inyo po, Kuya Teddy.
May budbwit na nagsabi sa akin na I might as well say it, miski ibang stasyon.
Opo.
Na yung incoming, congratulations to our incoming Worshipful Master. I-change ang pangalan ng loya ko for one year. Pag-install niya, magiging Teodora Macalma, Kala 136. Kuya Deo, congratulations. At saka nga, sa araw Lodge number 18, ang pagbabalik ng ng aking inaanak. I'd like to congratulate inaanak sa kasal.
Opo.
I'd like to congratulate Brother Gian Calao on his election as Worshipful Master of Araw Lodge number 18.
Wow, congratulations.
Also, congratulations to the brethren. May historic event pala recently, which we have to highlight. Yung kauna-unang lodge natin sa Grand Lodge of the Philippines was originally Manila number 1. Pero nag-merge sila with Manila at saka Mount Lebanon. To preserve the historic character of the lodge, I'd like to congratulate yung brethren. They effective, I think, yesterday. Hindi. Saturday yata. They have resolved to go back to their historic name, which is Manila number 1.
Wow.
So congratulations, brethren, of Manila number 1.
Oh. Sa Scottish Rite yata yung kanila. Yung kanilang,
Scottish Rite. Sa
temple.
Scottish Rite Temple sila.
Temple, okay. So, sa mga brethren din na hindi namin nabanggit, na nanalong sa mga 3 lights, congratulations po.
Election season.
Election season ngayon eh. Oo, tama.
And mga loya na hindi pa nag-election, please note that we are back to the regular, normal rules for elections. We have the 6 attendance rule at saka iba't iba pa, di ba?
Yes. That's correct.
And since nandun na nga ho tayo, I have to highlight, very importantly, a new requirement issued by our incumbent Grandmaster.
Yeah.
Lahat na ngayon, lahat ng mason, lahat ng mga kapatid throughout the jurisdiction, regardless of kailan ka pumasok, you must complete your proficiency exam. And you have 90 days, mag-expire na po. Yung mga hindi pa nakaka-complete na noon pa hindi nakagawa, sana man ho, itong buwan na to matapos na po. Di ba po? Yun, so I hope na that will go, you will be able to do that during this month.
Speaking of proficiency, at last yung kabatch ko naging proficient na.
Baka kailangan mo i-congratulate.
Si Kuya Carswell Chong.
Ngayon, makaka-shriner ka na.
Correct. Kasi isa sa requirement.
Isa sa requirement, di ba?
Proficient ka dapat.
We have a pronouncement for our incumbent senior grand lecturer, very worshipful Marlon Castor.
Yes.
That alam mo naman ang senior grand lecturer when it comes to doctrine, he's the authority in the jurisdiction. We have it from him that and I agree with him na you have not completed the 3rd degree until you do your proficiency exam.
That's correct.
You demonstrate proficiency in the master's domain, right? And you cannot, kung hindi ka pa nagawa yun, bakit ka pa nag 3rd degree? Diba?
Walang privilege.
So kailangan talaga ang proficiency exam. We cannot highlight that enough. So again, congratulations to brother
Carswell Chong.
Brother Carswell. Baka kasama ka na.
Niloloko nga namin si Carswell. Baka minemorize mo Chinese, sabi ko. Joke lang.
Alam ko hindi ganun.
Hindi naman.
Sigurado. Okay.
Hindi naman. Oo, kasi ang tagal niya bago mag-proficient.
Yun yung mahirap We have so many brethren. Alam mo, before 1994 yata kasi, hindi pa required. But now, because it is expressly required to make sure that, our teachings, there is a level of proficiency na magkapareho tayo across the jurisdiction since 1994 ni require yan. Yung mga brethren before that, hindi pa required
Correct.
Pero ngayon, let me be very clear, pursuant to the pronouncement of our incumbent Grandmaster, that is indispensable requirement to exercising all of your rights in the fraternity.
That's correct.
Patapos na po ang deadline. Yung mga hindi pa please this month. Para hindi kayo masuspend, matapos na po yung exam.
90 days, di ba?
90 days Pero malapit na matapos this month.
Malapit na matapos. Is it strictly construed ba? If I may,
alam mo, ito yung mangyayari para lang
para sa karamihan.
Hindi naman sekreto to.
Opo.
Okay? If you do not do your proficiency exam, you will be suspended.
Wait lang.
So if para hindi kayo masuspend, kailangan kayo maggawa na. Kaya kailangan ninyo matapos talaga. For those na hindi pa pre-1994 yata, para hindi pa, if you fail to mag-memorize na ho kayo, ganun na ho kayo. Kailangan proficiency exam.
Saka ang magandang dyan na impart na lesson sa amin is you cannot have all the privileges of a Master Mason.
Kagaya ng sumali ng Shriners.
That's one.
Diba? Among other things.
Other things. So balik tayo, Kuya Ted, sa Shriner. Yung we
our
mentioned
favorite
about
social club tonight.
Yes. ano yung mga positions doon? After, ano ba yung mga positions
Ikaw yung interview ko kasi ikaw yung high sheriff ko eh. High sheriff ko to sa Metro Manila Club.
Yes po, yes po.
So ano mga ibang position bago tayo tumaas? Ano yung position sa
para maging qualified ka nga sa Mabuhay Shrine Center, you must be a past high sheriff o past president. Parang sa
ikaw qualified ka na.
Lawyer, kaya lang hindi pa. Medyo takot pa ako diyan. At there are 5 positions sa ating ano.
Ito na yung Shrine Center, di ba?
Shrine Center. Oo.
Kasabi naman, Kuya Jeff.
Yung pinaka-unang-una dyan, yung Oriental Guide. Tapos, High Priest and Prophet.
Teka lang. Ano yung Oriental Guide? Anong ginagawa niya?
Para siyang
the top 5 highest?
Yes.
Ito yung una.
Yung una.
So, ano yung ginagawa ng Oriental Guide?
More or less, yung Oriental Guide, yan yung pinaka-lowest elected position sa Mabuhay Shrine. And they're in charge mostly. Parang sa junior warden din eh.
Mga konferal.
Mga konferal, refreshment,
Kaya nga
etc.
guide, diba? Okay.
Guide,
And after that?
Then, High Priest and Prophet.
Okay. Itong High Priest we're not talking about it in a religious sense, di ba?
Yes.
We are talking about it as a role in a social club.
That's correct.
So, what does the High Court Priest do?
Ikaw naman yung sa outside, parang sa senior warden that you are in charge of the...
So mga charity.
Yes.
And then after that?
We have the assistant Raban.
Okay.
Which is, pareho yan sa Chief Raban.
Okay.
So, sila na yung...
Ano yung Raban? Ano ang Raban?
More on,
operations.
you're just operation and you're waiting.
Okay.
To become
hindi naman waiting. Nagpaplano ka na sa term mo.
Yes. Parang
diba? Pangatlo na yun. Yung pang-apat.
Preparatory to leadership.
Okay. Ano yung pang-apat?
Yun yung Chief Raban. Together yan eh. Magkapareho po yan. Assistant Raban and then
the Chief Raban.
Yes.
So the Chief Raban?
The Chief Raban is already... Sa totoo lang, literally.
Nagre-ready na siya for his term.
Yes. Nagre-ready na.
Lahat kami lalaki dito eh. So, nagre-ready na siya for his term because 1 taon lang yan. Dapat pag, pasok mo.
Kumbaga, may plano na siya.
Ready na.
Diba? Solido na yung plano niya.
Kasi sa term na yon, yung nag-execute ng lahat is
potentate. The highest.
Okay. Which is a Middle Eastern term for great wise leader. Diba?
Yes.
But, we mean that in a humorous, hindi naman humorous, great wise leader. Diba?
Yes.
So, yun, since alam mo na anong gagawin mo the previous term, kasi plinano mo na, execution lang sa term mo.
That's correct.
And lahat ng mga charitable activities, lahat ng mga fellowship, yan.
Yeah.
The high potentate must,
And you represent the Mabuhay Center, Shrine Center, to the Imperial Session.
Imperial is just another term for Grand
Session.
Grand or highest council.
Yes.
Diba?
That's correct.
So, wherever we are in the world, whether it's Puerto Rico or the US, wherever shrine centers are, if the international convention is there, ikaw magre-represent.
Yes.
Sarap pala ng buhay doon
Pero ang pinaka-importante dito, Kuya Teddy, is parang sa Grand Lodge na ang pinag-i-elect lang talaga for you buy for the position is the Oriental Guide.
Okay, so yun yung una. Pag nakapasok na, parang succession na yun.
May succession na yun. Kaya...
So imagine, 5 taon ka.
bago.
Diba?
Bago maging potentate.
Napakahirap naman. Diba? But at least, you're preparing yourself.
Yes.
And since we're on that, we're about to prepare. Let's prepare ourselves for our last segment because...
Yes. Time check po ulit tayo. 7:47 ng gabi.
Kapatid, Kuya, magandang gabi ulit. At ngayon, I'd like to highlight yung nakarating na po ang ating guests for today. For those of you who are part of the craft, he needs no introduction. But ito yung I'd like to highlight na our Right Worshipful Deputy Grand Master is also the immediate past or president po ngayon?
Immediate
past High Sheriff ng Maharlika Club dito sa Shrine Center natin. On that note, before the break, we highlighted ano ba talaga ang nangyayari ngayon sa Shrine Center, yung Mabuhay Shriners, and how is it going forward? Right, Worshipful Ariel, baka you can tell us, what you believe how the shrine should be going forward. Now na naka-join ka na sa atin.
Number one, of course, when you go inside Masonry, the goal of the brethren and specifically tayo na nagmason is to make a good man, to become better.
Opo.
We process them inside the lads. So, as you become, there are a lot of ways how to become better, Kuya Teddy. And number one, ay yung sa sarili mo, you have to make good out of yourself. And second, the service to other.
Opo.
Kanya may mga what you call clubs tayo na affiliated din sa Mason, and they are aligned and consistent to what Masonry is. So ano po yun? Tinutumbok niya rito yung word na charity. So when we say charity, well, of course, to give is very, very good virtue. Pero there are the highest form, one of the highest form of charity is that when you extend relief or assistance to those who are having difficulty or they cannot do it on their own. Like example, the burn and the crippled children. Imagine mo, pagkapanganak niya, kuya, na hindi siya makalakad. Or kung maglalakad man siya, he or she needs assistance. So, dun tayo nakapokus dun sa mga burn and crippled children. So, this is actually giving us the favor and opportunity for those unfortunate ones to perform our obligation.
So, Kuya Ariel, alam mo, pinag-uusapan din namin ni Kuya Jerry yan about what the shrine does. But what with, since nandito ka and you yourself are a high sheriff like Kuya Jerry, what with, gusto namin malaman din yung, right now, kung nasabi na namin yung history ng shrine dito sa Pilipinas, but more on going forward. Ano si tikin mo in your experience, both as a high sheriff of Maharlika Club and as incumbent Deputy Grandmaster, where do you think the shrine is going now, and how do you think you can contribute to it?
Actually, naging advantage ko na po siguro, personal advantage, being the current Deputy Grandmaster. First, what is the Deputy Grandmaster? Today, I am the spare of the Grandmaster. And next year, with God's grace and your brethren's trust, I will be the heir.
Okay.
So, part of the mandate of the Grandmaster is actually to also accredit the clubs. And one of the clubs that I keep on mentioning na hindi lang functional but aligned and consistent to our goals, our visions as Masons, itong Shriner. So ano po ang gusto natin ngayong gawin? Pareho po, lahat ng Mason ay sana gawin nating playground. Fun ang sinasabi natin sa Shriner, di ba? It's a social club. While we process ourselves inside the lads, outside the lads. So, let's make a playground. The playground po ng mga Mason, itong shrine or shrine dam. And we, by making what we call yung masaya tayo doon, happy lang. Sabi nga ni Grandmaster, we are very happy.
Alam nga naman, puro seryoso tayo.
Pag
masaya.
Kuya Teddy, may stress ka lang. Seryoso ka. Pero pag habang masaya ka, dapat what subalit, nagseserbisyo ka rin. And of course, sabi ko nga po, dito lalong nagkakaroon ng na-strengthen yung bind or yung pagsasama ng mga Mason. Tapos po, we want to intensify more, Kuya Teddy, dun sa mga ceremonial, because it's a ceremonial that will generate resources. Saan naman natin gagamitin ng resources? Doon po sa mga caravans wherein we locate. We actually hinahanap po natin from the far-flung area, the far and the reaching, kung nasaan yung mga nangangailangan, together with some institutional, whether LGU, NGOs, pagsama-sama tayo, para nga makapag-reach out tayo sa kanila. In other words, Kuya Teddy, total Pasko naman ngayon, di ba, yung spirit of giving, lalo natin pinapaintin dito.
Pero
spirit of charity.
Right, Worshipful, di ba, ang Shrine Club is more on assisting the burnt and crippled children. Tama po ba yun? Yun yung focus po natin sa Shrine Club.
Yes po. Kasi po, inside the lads, ang main obligation natin is to aid and assist our distressed brethren, extended to the widows and orphans. Outside, ito naman po ang ginagawa natin.
It's
Kanina,
our own unique charity for this.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Maski non-Mason yan, pwede na natin
So
tulungan.
talagang yung may perspective rin sa other, even pag the social club. That's the distinguishing characteristic ng Masons.
Yes.
May perspective on the other. So maganda yan ho. And it looks like we have exciting times ahead for not just the Shriners but Masonry going forward.
Yes.
Unfortunately, Kuya Ariel, we are almost out of time. Baka may gusto kang batiin, especially ngayon na election season na, maraming nanalo. O, nagbatian na kami.
Tama po.
Kuya Deo, binati ko na. Baka may gusto kang batiin.
Well, of course, ako naman po ay binabati ko po ng mainit, maalab at niyayakap ko lahat po ng ating mga kapatid. You were mentioning about yung sa election, marami natalo at na nanalo. At the end of the day, ang election ay isang yugto at isang araw lamang, but the rest of all of us in Masonry Brotherhood po yan, magkakapatid tayo.
Life continues on.
Life continues on.
correct.
And of course, dito maganda sa Mason iisa lang yung ating subordinate lads at isang kulay, blue lads. Wala siyang political color.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ako, napakagandang reminder yan as we close this program today. Before we go, ating Bani, Ellie, dito ako, si Daddy. Okay, kayo naman.
Ay, ako po si Ate Pam
Yan.
at saka yung
Mga boss natin, bago tayo
yung tatlo ko pong napakababait at napakakukulit din at the same time na anak, si Frankie, si Arvin at saka si AJ. Kuya, pwede ba pagbigyan nyo ko sa lang?
Sige.
Yes po. Yes.
I may not see it because this coming what we call December 13, I'll be flying to Malaysia for our higher body and I'll come back. Pwede kasama yata kita ron.
Hindi.
Hindi, okay.
May iba akong assignment.
Okay. But I'll come back on the 15th ay championship po after 32 years ng Mapua.
Wow.
Okay po, ay wag na pong magagalit sa akin yung other school. Good luck po sa inyong dalawa, but I have the bias. Go Cardinals po.
Kailangan masabi. Kuya Jerry, patingin mo bago tayo matapos.
Ano din, may election pang susunod yung January
Kuya Jerry.
13. Ano po ba yun? Ano ba yung susunod na yun, na election?
O nga, no?
Ano po yun, right?
Well, on the 13th of January, before the assumption of our Chief Rabanto Potentate, ay i-elect po natin ang ating Oriental Guide para pong Junior Grand Warden po sa Mason.
Okay.
Yes.
And on that note, maraming salamat po, Kuya Jerry.
Hi kay Shane din at saka kay Emil and Iya.
Mga kapatid, mga kating, till next time. Maraming salamat po.